Okay, my shipment has arrived. And this is, I don't know where I'm going to be able to cut this thing open at. The knives you see advertised on your YouTube or Yahoo or whatever. I have to put my phone down so I can open this thing up. Let's see how I can open this. I want to give it an open surprise. All right, hold on a second. Put it on pause. Okay, we got it open. All right, here's one knife. Here's one knife. And here's one knife. So with their special, I only ordered 2. You don't want to know the price because this shit ain't cheap. So they sent me a mystery knife for my order. Oh, I didn't order the sheet. It comes with a sheet. I didn't order that. So here's one knife, as you see here. Holds pretty good. Pretty heavy duty. Let's check out the next one. I'll open up the papers here in a second. Here's the next one, the butcher's knife. Oh shit, this thing's like 7 pounds, 6 pounds. This thing's heavy. Holy cow. All right. I don't even know if these things are sharp. They say they are. Some thick ass blade. All right, hold on. Having trouble opening up this one. This one must be the mystery. So they sent me the same shit. So the mystery one, oh no, maybe this is a different one. Cleaver. All right, well, we're going to take off the plastics on each one of these. Is that the same thing? Nope, not the same thing. Okay, good. So I got 3 different knives. All right, that's cool. All right, hold on 1 second. Okay, I opened them up. Here's the 3 knives. This thing's a beast, man. That thing weighs a lot. I'm going to get the scale here in a minute. So the blades are extremely sharp. You got to be very careful. I guess I should say which one's which, but I'm not going to say the company just yet. But anyways, there's one more thing I want to do. 2 more things I want to do real quickly, so I got to put you on pause again. But I just got these in. I ordered 2 and one was a mystery. So I think this one was the mystery one that they sent me. I don't know. I'll have to look and see. Maybe this was a mystery. Anyways, hold on. All right, we're back. All right, zoom it in. Okay, so we got the almighty scale. So we're going to trigger that. Maybe not. Uh-oh. Temporary error. Hold on. Okay. We got our scale working. Here's our knife. Let's see how much this thing weighs in pounds. Nothing. Not enough to scale. Okay, let's go to the next one. Less than a pound. Maybe the scale's uneven. Let's go for the bigger one. What the hell, man? All right, we'll just say 2.6 pounds. Let's see here. Maybe this isn't level. Turn this way. Let's try this one more time. 2.6 pounds. Yep. That's how much this thing weighs. Almost 3 pounds. Steel for this knife. Now we have one more test to do. Stand by. All right, now we're going to prop this up right here. Bear with me. Okay. And we're going to do the paper challenge. Well, that didn't work. Let's try this one. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. I don't know. I've never done this before. I'm supposed to hold the paper? I guess that worked that way. Let's see how the big one works. Oh! 2.6 pounds. Guess it cuts through the paper pretty good. So, now the next question is, where am I going to put these? And if the magnet that I have to put them on the wall, will they stay because they're so heavy? Who knows? So, another review later. When I start to work them, I got to clean them up because they got the oil. See, there's some oil all over it. So I'm not sure if the oil is supposed to stay on there or if I'm able to clean. I got to read the instructions. But supposedly, these are supposed to be a lifelong knife. Now, I bought these because one of the gun tubers that I watch on YouTube tested these things with bullets. And they were actually pretty good bulletproof, but they ended up breaking after a short period of time of shooting it. So, but not that I don't plan on shooting or deflecting myself with knives, but oh well, that's what caught my eye. Anyways, that's oh yeah, this is the company is what the hell is the name of the company again? Here's Care and Tips, Coolina knives. Like I said, they're not cheap. They're not cheap at all. So I guess the big one is Lixie. You can scan that one if you want. Then the other one is a Capini. I think this one is the Capini. I may be wrong. And then this one is the Dozy. So, and they got the sheets that come with it. So anyways, one of these days when I plan on pulling out some steaks or something, then I'll use them. But for now, they're going to go up on the wall. So, are they sharp enough to cut through paper? I never cut knives through a paper anyway, so I don't know if that works or not. But anyways, we'll see how they work on meat later on. That's my review for now. For my Coolina knives.